Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amber and this is About That Mama Life, and on my channel we do videos like skincare, beauty, DIY, mama life content, and recipes and much more. So if that type of content interests you, consider subscribing to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about how to use the Rodan and Field's Unblemish Regimen. First, I'm going to go through a little makeup removal process and talk about my favorite way to remove my makeup. So if you're interested in checking that out, then... Okay, so welcome to my bathroom. I recently moved and we bought a house, and that's why I've been MIA for a little bit. So I've recently been using this Garnier Micellar cleansing water. You just shake it up really good. I use a cotton pad, just kind of douse it, and then I just kind of soak it over my eye makeup for a moment. This stuff is really good. It makes it really easy to remove your eye makeup. I'm just gonna take that, remove my eye makeup, and then we'll keep going. Now I'm gonna take my favorite makeup wipes. These are the Walmart brand Equate. It's a really big, fluffy, soft makeup wipe. And I love it because it removes my makeup really easily. It's super gentle. It's not scratchy like some other makeup wipes. I just use that to continue to take off any makeup I still have. I go a step further after my makeup is removed, and I take just a basic skin cleanser. It's a regular cleanser, and it's one you can use on your skin dry, not wet. And I just use that to remove any last trace of makeup that might still be on my face. With my face still slightly damp, so I'm going to use step 1 in the Rodan and Field's Unblemished line, and this is the Acne Treatment Sulfur Wash. This is step 1. It's a 4-step system, and I have been having breakouts really bad in this area here. So I broke out my Unblemish. I've been using this in the evenings, and my skin has cleared up dramatically in less than a week. Rub that into my skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. And you can also use it as a spot treatment mask. If you have just a small breakout, you can tap it on there, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and wipe it off. So I use it for that way for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Afterwards, I just pat my face dry, and I have a gorgeous bubble bath waiting for me behind me. I'm going to enjoy that, and when I get out, I'll be right back to show you how I apply the rest of my skincare from the regimen. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to do my skincare. I thought I'd do a little close-up for you guys. So in about 3 days, this area here went from full raised red breakout to very flat, almost 100% dried up. On to the next step. I'm going to take my cotton round and I am going to soak it in step 2, which is the toner, and this is called Clarifying Toner. I usually recommend that you use the gauze pads because they soak up less product and just saves you money, but I'm out and gotta use what I got. So I just take this like a regular toner and wipe it everywhere. I feel like this really helps to kind of dry up any breakouts. And then my next step is step 3, which is the Dual Intensive Acne Treatment. It's a 2-chamber pump. You take the medicine, and I call it medicine because it's got active ingredient in it, but you take the cream and you just apply it everywhere. Now this can be a little bit drying, the system. It doesn't ever make my skin peel or get too dry, but sometimes if I do feel a little dry, I'll add a moisturizer on top. I'm just gonna let that sit in. And step 4 is the Oil Control Lotion. It has an SPF of 20. I do really like it. It's daytime. You don't use it at night. but it really does help keep my skin mattified and not get oily or greasy. So I'm going to take my eye cream. This is a multi-function eye cream, and this is my everything. When I ran out of my first jar, I just started going back to my eye cream, my old eye cream, to start using what I had. And I noticed within a week that my under eye area looked way different. So I got a new jar of this, and within another week, my under eye area was more plump and fresh and less fine lines. Then I always use my Lash Boost. And you can check out my last Lash Boost video if you want to see my results after using Lash Boost and how to use it. I also use it on my brows. It completely changed those. Just completely changed my lashes. And then the last step, and something I've really been falling in love with, is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I suffer from extremely dry lips, and this stuff is amazing. I put them on at night and I don't have as much peeling or cracking or drying throughout the day. And that is it. Now I am good to go. If I feel like I need a little extra moisture, sometimes I'll just put on a moisturizer on top, but usually this is how I leave it in the morning. I feel like my skin's really nice and glowy and has definitely helped dry up those little breakouts I've been getting. So I highly recommend it. I use it once in the evening, but if you suffer from worse acne breakouts than I do, then you can use it, amp up to using it in the morning and at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel. Check out my other videos on how to use Rodan and Fields skincare and some other different beauty videos. If you want to see how to use Lash Boost, just watch the video here. And if you're interested in subscribing to that channel, click the button here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon, and have a beautiful day.